Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open YouTube in your laptop browser and load the Shorts clip causing auto-dubbing. You want to check both YouTube's player and your browser at once. Once done, pause the video and look for CC or audio options, then open the browser's extensions and settings. This reveals whether an extension or site feature is altering audio output. Keep tabs on which tab plays sound. That helps isolate the source. Now, disable likely culprits. Go to your browser's extensions and temporarily disable any translation, caption, or audio-altering add-ons. Next, in the YouTube player, toggle captions off and check the three-dot menu for auto-translate or audio settings. Turn those off too. Once changed, refresh the Shorts page. If the issue stops, re-enable extensions one by one to find the offender. Make sure to test finish by clearing your browser cache and cookies, then reload YouTube. This removes stale settings that force audio quirks. If auto-dubbing continues, update your browser and any audio or caption extensions, or try a different browser to compare behavior. Make sure you sign out and back into YouTube if account settings persist. Troubleshooting tip. If unsure, run an incognito session. If the dubbing stops there, an extension or cache setting is the likely cause, and you can remove it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.